Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter situations. Taking a look underneath, we're going to take a look down the passenger side now. You do have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. You have running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner here keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Down here you have two USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.